be real with you right now. There are probably 3 lies that you are currently believing about video content. And by believing those lies, you're leaving money on the table for your business, and you're actually wasting a lot of time doing some things when you can save time creating video content. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what those 3 lies are and how you can shift your mindset so you can start using video content and see the power video can have in your business. Hi, my name is Trina if you are new here, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs just like you build the confidence to start creating video content for your business. And one thing that's probably holding you back are these 3 lies we're gonna discuss. So I'm gonna jump right into that, but before I do, I wanna tell you if you stayed at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can sign up for an absolutely free workshop that I'm hosting that's going to show you the exact process that I use to create 1 month's worth of video content for all the platforms. Think Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, in just 8 hours. So stay to the end, and I'm gonna tell you how you can get instant access to that free workshop. So the first lie that you're believing when it comes to video content is that it's going to take you a lot of time. And while yes, it may take you a lot of time, that may be because you're not thinking about it the right way. When I first got started in video content back in 2016, it took me a long time too. I was spending all my time researching the perfect topic, trying to script everything I wanted to say word for word, totally overthinking it, not taking action. And side note, I would take off my makeup when I would shoot one video and reapply it to shoot the second video. I thought if people watched that one video and they saw the second video, they would realize I shot it all in the same day. Yeah, so when I wanted to batch videos, I was actually wiping my entire face of makeup off to shoot every single video. So here's why this lie is not true. Creating video content is actually going to save you time in the long run, because by creating this one form of powerful content, video, you're now able to use it across all the platforms. Now, the best way to do this is to create one recorded video like I'm doing right now for YouTube, and then I'm gonna repurpose it on Facebook and repurpose it on IGTV and create a pin on Pinterest about it and share it with my newsletter. If you're anything like me, I always run out of ideas on what am I gonna post on social media. So by having a video content plan for the week, you always know exactly what you're going to be talking about, and you can pull clips or use your entire video on your social media. This is extremely powerful because all social platforms are loving video. So not only is this going to allow you to build your visibility with your audience and connect with them on video, but these social platforms are also going to help you reach more people because they are preferring video content because of the connection video makes, and because video keeps people on the platform longer. So not only are you going to be saving time creating content for all these platforms, you're also going to know what you're posting when. You're going to be building your social platforms organically by pleasing them with video, and you're going to be instantly connecting with your audience, even if you can't be on the platforms 24 hours a day. Because let's be real, you have a life. So that first lie about video taking up all your time is absolutely not true as long as you have a game plan in place. So what does that typically look like? Like, how does that process look? Well, for me, I spend about 2 hours researching and also scripting a general outline for my video. I will then spend 2 hours filming my videos because I'm only shooting 4 at a time because that's 1 month's worth of content. That's 4 hours. Then I'll spend about an hour to an hour and a half editing, and then another hour to hour and a half publishing that or scheduling that on social platforms. So I'm gonna go a little more detail into that on my free workshop that I'm gonna tell you about here in a little bit, but that is the 8 hours that I spend a month creating video content. Now I want you to sit back and think about all the hours that you're spending scheduling Instagram posts, scheduling Facebook posts, writing newsletters. Start to add that up. Do you have a number in mind now and how many hours it's taking you to create a month's worth of content? Let me know if you've added that hour up down in the comments, because now I've shown you how you can create that full month in just 8 hours. So is video really gonna take a lot of time? That second lie that you're believing is that you need all the bells and whistles to create video content to make it look professional. So what I'm talking about here is you holding back creating video content because you don't have that DSLR camera, or you don't have a ring light, or you don't have a pretty background yet. Here's the deal. Most cell phones, the cell phone that you have right now, is perfect for creating video content. They have great quality. The only thing that will make or break your video content is lighting, and the best source of lighting is a window. You just need to set your phone in front of your window and film from there. I actually have a video that I will link down in the description box and right up here as well for you to check out on how I set up my equipment and how I would use a phone and also my window. But that's the quickest place to get started. You don't need to have this perfect background because you want to connect with your audience in an authentic way. You also want to be comfortable in your environment, so you're going to be more comfortable on video if you're sitting somewhere that you're actually comfortable with. And just to prove you wrong, thinking right now that you need to have the perfect background or nobody's going to watch it, back 2 years ago, you can go back on my channel 2 years ago, I was filming in front of an ugly yellow background. Nothing fancy, we were in a tight squeeze in this tiny apartment, and my YouTube channel grew 300%, and that year in my business was my most profitable year to date, and I didn't have a fancy background. I focused on sharing highly valuable content and repurposing that content on multiple platforms to build my visibility, to gain my know, like, and trust with my audience so that they were ready to buy whenever I dropped a course on their lap. So when it comes to needing all the perfect equipment and the perfect background, this is just an excuse. This is just the lie that's holding you back from actually using the power of video in your business. All right, this third lie is something I believed up until a few months ago, until I tested something here in my business and on my YouTube channel to realize that was actually a lie. So as business owners, we think we need to grow a specific platform. We need more followers on Instagram. We need more subscribers on YouTube. We need more likes on our business Facebook page. But the thing is, as business owners, we aren't in the business of building platforms. Pretty mind exploding, right? We are actually in the business of getting our content out to people so that they will build their know, like, and trust with us and want to buy from us or want to hire us. So while we are spending time maybe growing Instagram and focusing our pure social media efforts on one platform, our audience probably likes to hang out on different platforms. While yes, some of our audience may be hanging out on Instagram, we may have people hanging out on YouTube, and we may have people hanging out on Facebook, and we may have people hanging out on Pinterest. So how do you solve this without being on this constant hamster wheel of creating content for every single platform? It's being strategic with repurposing your video content. You need to first stop thinking about how overwhelming and how daunting it's going to be to start a platform from scratch. Because you aren't starting a platform from scratch to grow it. You're starting a platform from scratch to get content on the platform that your audience prefers. Because like I said, not everybody prefers Instagram, not everybody prefers YouTube. So bring the content to the people where they like to be instead of trying to push them to where you want them to be. For so long I taught, send people from Facebook here to YouTube, send people from Instagram here to YouTube. But they aren't gonna make that action. And so I was recently trying this for the past 4 weeks, and we created this one video, used it on Facebook, used it on Instagram, and promoted it on Pinterest with pins as well. And we saw all of those platforms not only grow organically, but we've seen my email list grow. I've seen engagement across all of my platforms increase as well. And it hasn't taken me any time because I've used one piece of strategic video and use it as my content on other platforms. I took my content to the platform that my audience preferred instead of trying to force them to go somewhere that they didn't want to go to. So meet them on their platform and serve them highly valuable content that's going to help them change their lives. Now, if you want to see how I've been doing this and the process that I use, I'm going to add a link on your screen right now and down in the description box to sign up for my free workshop where I'm going to show you how I create this one piece of video content and use it on all the platforms, and how I do 1 month's worth of content in just 8 hours. I'm going to walk you through that entire process. So make sure you grab your seat, click the link that's down in the description box, click the link that's on your screen right now, and I'm going to show you my ways so that you can start bringing content to the platform that your audience prefers so you can start making more money in your business and getting yourself out to more people. And if you want a sneak peek at how my content calendar looks and how I plan out my content calendar, make sure you click that video that's on your screen right now, and I'll see you in the workshop or over on that next video. Bye.